Okay, I got a quick update here. So, 1 a.m. here in Florida. We're about 5 hours away from it really go crazy here when the storm really is on top of us. But we're already seeing some shit going on here. So I'm gonna show you guys. So, it's flooding already. It's gonna be basically 2 to 4 inches each hour from now on. I'm gonna give you a little tour. This is where I live right now. We're going underwater. It's only gonna keep on going. I have about I got about 12 hours left of this now. Oh, actually more. 15 hours. So yeah, I'll give you guys more updates soon.